Okay, so today I am going to roll my fenders, or attempt to roll my fenders. Like I said in the last video, if you didn't watch it, whatever, it is what it is. I'll tell you right now. My tires are wide for the hatch. I think they're 16s, and they constantly grind. Every time I turn, every time I hit a bump, they grind. So what I did, I put way too much negative camber just so it fits in the wheel well, and for that reason it kind of messed up my tires, and I go through tires like crazy. So I want to put back at least a little bit of positive camber and roll my fenders so I don't have to worry about going through tires as much as I am. So I bought the roller. I'm gonna lift the car up and roll the fenders. So let's go. Josh. Now I need a heat gun to heat the fenders, and then put this on there. So let's go. Also, I put the anti-roll bar on. This one, this bar right here, I got it for free when I got the subframe. I don't know if you can see. This is actually from a DC2 Integra that I did not know. And DC2 Integras and the CTRs, the 98 EK, the actual EK hatches, the Type Rs, they come with this anti-roll bar that's sideways like this. I don't know if you can see that right here. So you would need these special bushings, as you can see, that come out like that to install it. I didn't know that, so I got like regular bushings and it didn't work. So I had to go and do some research, and I found out that I needed these special bushings like these end links that would fit this anti-roll lag bar. So I also put that in. I didn't record that, but I put that in like maybe a month ago. But yeah, this is beautiful. I think this is 25 millimeters. So it's good. It does feel a little stiffer in the front, so I like that. That definitely works into my liking. So yeah. It's definitely wider. Definitely wider. Oh yeah, most definitely is wider. that should be good. And there she is. She's definitely wider in the front. You can definitely tell. Definitely can tell. Look at that. Definitely wider. So I actually like how it came out. The camber is straight. There shouldn't be any rubbing. I shouldn't go through a million tires a week. So definitely came out wider. This side, I don't think it's as wide as the other side. As you can see, this side is definitely wider. Definitely wider. But definitely love how it came out. All I have to do is test drive it. So there you go. I rolled the front fenders. Definitely looks a lot wider. I fixed the camber. The tires in the inside were definitely bowled. So let's see how this works. Right now, I would be driving the hatch, but I don't have gas and I don't feel like getting it right now. So the other thing that I do want to do is the balancer. When I get that, I will record me installing it, of course. And yeah, that's it. That's it for right now. It came out really nice. I liked it. The fenders are a lot wider, and the camber is more straight now than what it was before. So it looks good. So we'll see from there.